Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM coin holder? What's going on this time, my friends? The Stellar XLM price will increasing now 2.31%. The Stellar XLM price is increased, so I can't expect this, my friend. In previous days, absolutely all coin were very badly falls down, but Stellar XLM price will starting increasing. So I don't know, my friends, to what's the reason, but definitely experts says, my friends, to in those days every coin will moving upward. And if my friends, you can see here, if a holder are starting holding, and if a holder are starting investing more and more, so of course, my friend, the price will be increasing now. And this time Stellar XLM condition is going very good now. If we check out, my friend, this time you can see in last 3 days they were fares down, but especially this in only in last 12 hour, my friend. From last 12 hour the price is absolutely starting moving upward and get a very huge profit. So this time you can see Stellar XLM price will get a very good profit. All right, my viewers, my subscriber, my opinion is for all of you, please hold down. In my friends, my prediction is 100% going positive, because my brother, I already predicted this coin, and definitely after them they will pump. So therefore in the very hard and very bad pump dump, my friends, after very bad dump they will starting moving upward. So I hope, my friends, at the end of month also every coin will moving upward. So therefore I will tell you to the price will be increasing now. So holders, hold down and don't starting selling. See you next time, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.